Welcome. This meditation is here to help you connect deeply with the present moment by focusing on your foundation. This practice will guide you to tune into that support, inviting stability, calm, and healing energy from the earth beneath you. Grounding can be experienced in many ways. If you're outdoors, take off your shoes and feel the earth beneath your bare feet, grass, soil, or sand. Outdoor grounding provides the most benefits as the natural elements enhance your connection, helping to restore balance. If you're indoors, connect with the support of the floor, a solid chair, or even a table or wall. Simply focus on the sensation of being grounded, allowing the earth's energy to flow through you and bring a sense of calm and balance. Take a moment to notice what part of your body is touching the ground or a surface beneath you. Gently close your eyes. If you're sitting, feel the weight of your body pressing down into the chair or floor. If you're standing, notice the sensation of your feet planted firmly on the ground. Feel where the contact is strongest and simply observe. Let your awareness settle there. You don't need to change anything, just notice. What do you feel? Is there warmth or coolness? Perhaps a sense of stability or softness. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into this connection. Let go of any tension in your legs, your feet, your hips. Allow the earth to hold you. I will let you do this for 10 minutes. Just focus on the pressure in your feet or base of spine, and don't worry about your breath. Begin. If your mind wanders, that is normal. Just guide it back to the sensation of grounding. Feel the support beneath you, anchoring you to the ground. Now let's shift the focus to finish with breath work. We will pull energy from the earth to heal the body. Imagine a gentle, warm, healing energy rising from the ground. Energy that will revitalize your body from inflammation and negative energy. Feel it flowing into the soles of your feet or the base of your spine. Now take a very slow inhale. This energy moves upward, Feel it traveling through your legs, into your torso, up and down your arms, and all the way to the top of your head. Now exhale, slowly releasing all the negative energy that was in your body. See the dark cloud leaving your body. See the cloud dissolving above you. Repeat this 10 times. Begin. Feel the energy flowing through your body and expel the dark cloud. Take one more deep breath in, feeling a quick burst of energy flow through your body. As you exhale, release any remaining negative energy. Gently stretch your arms up. Move your feet. See, you are in control of your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of grounding with you as you move through the rest of your day. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember, you can always return to this connection. Thank you for being here.